good morning. So today we're going to explore the Colorado. So we're here at National Park. What a beautiful tunnel here. So we're going to Lewis Ranch. We're on our way. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful view. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh gosh, so deep.
See, look at
And
that. Look,
there you are.
Look at that. Pumunta siya doon, oh. It's very dangerous. I'm so scared. Uy, careful! Ingat!
Patay pa yan sa pinakataktak mo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Nag-effort.
Sana may makita. Ayun ulit, oh. Isa pa. Oh, dalawa! Tatlo, apat, lima! Gwen! It's a family. Lima.
Hanapin si Bunso.
Anim! Pito!
Hanapin si Bunso.
Pito! Dami, oh.
I didn't bring the iPad.
I told you. Finally, we're here.
You told me there was no Wi-Fi.
Even there's no Wi-Fi, you can play some.
Why do I look so white?
Because you are white.
I'm not that white.
Because you are white. We're here. Finally, we're here.
When?
We're here. It's dinner time. Hi everyone, we're here at Lewis Ranch here in Mount Tralala. So we're having a dinner right now and we have here a very yummy food. Oh, so social. Oh, diba? That's very social and that is
Korea.
We have Korean. Oh, may nagnanak ng doon. Straight. We have chicken skin, we have kimchi, we have cucumber, we have gulay. That's kimchi. We have chicken, we have lechon there. And this is a sauce, two kinds, spicy and beans. We have dinengdeng. We have salad purslane. You know the purslane?
What is this thing?
Purslane. That is sauces.
This one is from the backyard. It's a
Purslane.
Okay, like
first name. It's very healthy. That's a very safe on it.
Ala! Wow! Talagang sweet nila. Very sweet nila. O, tignan mo sila nanay at tatay. Ang daming hindi naman tayo maghuhugas na. Kuha ka ng plato pa doon.
Pizza. Mainit.
Yung
Pizza
kimchi.
is right there. It's nice and warm.
We're here.
Pizza.
Kainan na. Kainan na. Ang daming food. Joanne and Gwen. Yeah. Yung dalawa. Sabi ko, may wala pa. Yung dalawa pala. You eat rice, Joanne.
Dawon ulit tayo. Okay, Joe. It's open.
okay. Good, good. Why you want over your sink open?
Crabs.
Yeah.
Crabs, Gwen. You take some of this, Joanne.
There.
Come on. Here.
Ay, dapat nilagay mo yung flashlight sa ano, yung camera ka. Ayan.
Alin, maliwanag naman oh.
I got a brighter light in the car.
Oo, diba?
Maliwanag naman
Yeah,
siya.
we need it.
Ayan ang, ito yung pinakurat na suka. Suka.
Home find that.
Suka.
Ayan, nagkakapi ka.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ayong gabi. Here in Mount Tralala.
Hindi true lalo.
Tralala.
True lala in True Lalo Street.
Hi Astrid. Dati ang tawag ko sa aso is Kaden. Hi Astrid, sabi ko naman kay Kaden. Hindi siya sumasagot. Napagpapal. Hi Astrid, yung nung una pa lang ako. Seryoso ako. Hi Astrid, how are you? Sabi ko hindi siya nasagot. Yun pala, aso niyo pala yun. Aso pala.
Astrid is a girl's name.
Yeah, malay ko.
She keeps calling Kaden.
Yeah. The first time I came to your house,
And then he calls this Kaden.
Kaden.
Can't do.
Kaya pala hindi siya nasagot. Nagba-barbecue kami noon. Doon sa ano nyo, sa bar nyo. Hey Astrid, how are you? Love. Continuous lang siya nagba-barbecue, hindi siya nasagot.
Kay Malisa na lang.
Yeah, siguro yung aso na sa
Siguro
likod.
minumura.
Don't call me. Hey.